Hi, I'm Saya, the office stylist, and today I'm going to talk to you about some organizing ideas for your craft room. You can organize a lot of things in your craft room the same way you would any other room, with boxes, tons and tons of storage. I like to use decorative storage boxes because it adds a decorative feel to the room and it adds a bit of fun and femininity, and basically it makes your room pretty while keeping everything organized. Keep everything that's related to that specific craft in a box. So crafts, let's say for beading, keep those separate from, your art supplies for painting. When you keep everything separate, you can find things a lot easier. Those are just a few ideas of how to keep your craft room organized. For more office style tips, go to theofficestylist.com. I'm Saya, and thanks for watching.